left and right, same functionality. Same functionality it will work. Okay, you can write it maybe. Here meaning is wire valid.
मम्मी छोड़ दे, मैं बना लूंगा, छोड़ दे.
Coming to second one, declare a reg type scalar of address. Only reg scalar. Scalar. Reg means data type. You know this formula, size is 33 bit, LSB is 3 bit. No? Okay, I will explain. Size is equal to, tell me Sabita, LSB minus LSB plus 1. Based on that, you people calculate this question. Size is equal to, this is magnitude, MSB minus LSB plus 1. Based on that, you people to calculate up to E. I will give you a size and MSB, you find out LSB. I will give whatever it may be, you can find out. Up to this CD question. Regarding E, declare an 8-bit vector. How I will declare 8-bit vector? This is 7 down to 0. This is vector declaration completed. Bright data. You know how the vector declaration?
दे तो निकाल के.
Tell me, Giri. How to declare vector? Reg.
ओके, सही होगा ये. छोटा ना करना.
What? This is only vector. This is my data type. This is syntax. Whatever I am saying now. This is size. This is vector name.
हमरा काम बोलो ना, तू रखना पिया.
This is my vector name. This is vector syntax or prototype or declaration. Syntax, prototype.
आप लोगों को चिंता नहीं है पढ़ाई वढ़ाई की, बताएं.
Same meaning only. Data type, size, vector name. Sabita, understand ना? Vector declaration is data type, size, vector name. Based on that, you people do this one's E question. I am explaining right now this second. This one means 7 down to 0. Regarding this question, E question. What is your vector size? My size 7 down to 0. What is my vector name? Write data. What is data type asking? Output of AND gate. You kept AND. It is not valid in the Verilog WAND. Means wire AND. Data type name. This is vector name. Vector of name. Write data. See vector of name. Okay, na? I am explaining right now this question. What is here processor, and you can study this theory question. I will give hint only. Please everyone listen carefully. If you ask a doubt, immediately ask. I will clear right now only. At least you study. Lavanya, you explain what is input, what is output regarding this processor. What is my input, what is my output? Is Lavanya is there or not?
Sir, I'm there, sir.
Okay, tell me. This is my processor. This is my memory. Here processor connecting to memory. Regarding processor, what is inputs? See here, I am explaining. Listen, everyone. Regarding processor, clock reset is common, whatever it may be processor. This is address. It's going to output. Whatever incoming arrow, that is input. Going outside, this is output. If you want, I will explain in the paint. See, this is my memory. See. What is processor inputs? Clock or resetter? This is clock. This is reset. Then what is input? Address. This is my processor. Address and write data. Then valid. These are my processor input. Output means no. Input means only read data. Not. Tell me what is their input and output. This is mistake only what I have done. This is mistake. I know where is mistake. Lavanya, you only explain. I will take one more page. This is my processor. What is input? Clock, reset. This is clock. This is reset.
Read data.
Then what is next?
Read data.
It means this one, processor, this is my input. This is my output.
Output is
What is processor incoming? It means this one. Read data. Valid or ready. You take only single processor or single memory, you people are confusing. Based on that only, sir taken 2 blocks here. Whatever incoming arrow to memory, that is input. Whatever going here, that is output. If you will take this one, definitely people are confused. Arrow towards memory, yeah. Arrows towards the processor. You only tell me that is input to the input to the processor or output to the memory. Which one? Read data. Okay. This is read data signal, and for memory, this is output. Valid signal means my processor sending valid signal to memory. Ready means my memory sending. Ready signals means I am ready to accepting the data. This is clock and reset. These are both are inputs to processor and memory. This is address. I am taking my address as a vector, means multi-bit site. This is write data. Processor sending signal, write data signal to memory. I am taking that data size is 32-bit or 64. Harsha. This is read data. Read data gives memory. It will take whatever it may be, say 32 bit or 64 bit. This is write read operation. Write read 1 means write operation, 0 means read operation. I will explain here what is valid and ready signal. This is handshaking mechanism. For example, you take any memory. I am writing to the memory or reading to the memory. Writing to the memory. Reading to the, this is write operation. This is read operation. In the questions are explained, write read is equal to 1 means write operation, 0 means read operation. Instead of this, you will take only single line. Write is equal to 1. Only write operation will do it. Read is equal to 0. Read operation. This is reader, this is writer. Based on these two lines, I kept it only one line only. Sir only done this one only. Instead of two lines, sir kept it write is equal to 1 means write operation. 0 means read operation. That is user defined. Need not mandatory. I am telling here valid and ready signals. This is handshaking mechanism. This, for example, this is my PC. This is my pen drive. You assume like that this is my processor. This is my memory. Your processor means PC working how much speed. For example, this is 500 GB hard disk. This is only 64 GB pen drive. How the memory will handshaking mechanism happening. This is processor. This is memory. In the memory, write or read operation. Is this processor means this is connection, pen drive to PC. Processor showing 0 means valid. Do you take processor or memory or master or slave? It will say acting as the same only. This is master, this is slave. Here my processor is busy, slave also busy, so that in my memory write read operation not happening. Coming to the processor is busy and memory is ready to receiving the data, but this is not sending any data to receiver means slave. So in the memory write read not happening. Right now my processor is free here, but memory is busy with some outside peripheral protocols. Peripheral means, for example, your laptop so many ports, HDMI, USB, graphic card, charger, that one. Protocol means inside the protocol is working. That is SPI, AXI. SPI means Serial Peripheral Interface Protocol. AXI means Advanced Extensible Interface. Based on the processor only our system is working. So in my processor is free right now, but memory is busy. So write read not happening in the memory. Coming to here, my master is ready, slave is ready. Master is ready to sending data to receiver, and a slave also ready to receiving data from master. So handshaking will be happening in the memory. Write read will be happening because both are on. In the remaining operation, read write is not happening. This is only handshaking mechanism. You people take that is a valid ready signal, whatever it may be. Instead of valid ready, I take a master and slave. I will explain what is vector, what is array. I will use a little bit example right now here. Can anyone tell me what is this wedge of I taken my size 15 down to 0 and memory of 10230. This is vector of array declaration. Vector of array declaration.
म्यूट करो और से म्यूट करो.
Can anyone know regarding this meaning? I am taking size is 16 bit. Width. My width is 16 bit. Size is 1 KB. Means this is a syntax for memory declaration. Definitely asking in interview people memory declaration syntax or prototype. Here, for example, this is my memory. You know what is size formula? Size is equal to width into depth. This is my width. This is my depth. What is width I mentioned here? 16 is 0 to 15 data. Means 1, 2, and so on 15. 1 KB means 0 to 103 address locations. Like this. This is my memory. This is my depth locations. This is my width. I will take one more. This is my width. This is my depth. My size is 16 KB means 0 to 15. Depth means this is depth. This is depth. 0 to 103 address locations created. It will showing array. Array means depth. This is my width. Width is showing vector. See, every address location my 16-bit data is present. Up to 0 to 1023 address location. This is only syntax here. How much my size means? 1024 into 16. That is only my memory size. 1024 into 16. This is only my entire memory size value. This one. This is only syntax. Still you people are confused. I have this many address locations, 1024 address locations. In each address location, 16 data is present. This is only 16-bit data, this one. This is my address location, 0, 1, 2, 3, 100, 1000, this is 1023, like this. You people are understand, still confused. Or else I will need to explain one more time. Then you people do this one. My size is 64. You people can put in chat box. My width is 64 bit and the size is 4 KB. Write the memory declaration for this one. Write the memory declaration. Width is 64. Size is 4 kb. You can put in chart box. Just what will come in the picture here. This is 1023 address location. That is data type, range type, 16-bit. Like the same thing you can expect. Range of, mem of. Tell me. What is my value? You people put in chat box. I will give 1 minute time, you people. I am explained side by very well. Given examples also in 6th line. And paint also side by PPT. Put in chat box everyone.
क्या बोल रहा है? क्या वो?
Still one person only sent answer. I don't know how the remaining people are doing right now. Okay, Chandan. Only 2 people only given. मतलब दो होगा. चलो. 1 KB అంటే 4096 1023 into 1 KB 40 అంటే 4095 into 0 అంతే. అదే మళ్ళీ ఏంటి రాసి 4095 డౌన్ టు అంతే ఇంకా నేను డ్రాయింగ్ రాయలేదు. రైట్ హియర్ what I say is 4096. Then only you put I kept it in chat box.
पानी देख ना पी दे
फिर मैं खा ले उसमें डाल दिया.
सभी तो అయిపోయిందా? ఏం చేస్తాం? Okay, I will give right now. You people do tomorrow this one. My reg is 512 bytes. And the size is 3 KB. You people do tomorrow or Monday will ask. I am asking not repeat. Range is 16-bit. Size is 512 bytes. You people do memory declaration for this. Monday I will ask. Size is 512 bytes. What is the byte value? Based on that unit implement. You know what is the size formula. Width into depth. Based on that, you people do tomorrow. No, Monday. I am asking this question. Please note down everyone. I am asking this one Monday. I am giving size is a bytes, not KB. Okay. Based on that only, you people do assignment to this question. What is input, what is output? I am explain the handshaking mechanism. Entire theory you people can study, no problem, in your free time. Coming to the here, can anyone write this code or not earlier? Vector to vector assignment. Yashwant, are you completed?
Sir, no, sir. Today I will complete.
Lavanya,
Yes, sir.
you done this code regarding third.
No, sir, I have not done.
Jaydeep,
No, sir.
okay. I will explain. Please listen everyone carefully. I will type right now. This is vector assignment is very important, you people. In system like also same thing coming. That is the packed unpacked array it will come in. VSP 1.2. See what in the vector declared here. See, this is both same size, A vector and B vector. I will take here module. Then tell me anyone what is this size? 3 down to -2.
Repeat, sir.
What is my vector size value here? This is vector only data type wedge. Size is 3 down -2. This is vector name is A here. How much size is there here? 3 down to -2.
3 down to -2.
Six.
What is 6? What about 7 down to 2?
7 down to 2.
It is also 6.
Okay, still anyone doubt regarding to understanding this vector? See, this is wedge data type 3 down to -2. This is size. This is variable name A. Vector name is A. It will start LSB -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Coming to this B vector, it is started 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are both for same size. This is vector A, this is vector B. See here, I am typing here module. Module name is vector. I am passing here A comma B. Module TB, I will directly implement TB, module TB and module prototype. In this, already design given here, wedge. 3 down minus 2. Vector wedge 7 down to 2. This is B, vector name is B. In the procedural block, I will implement in my functionality. What is you take any value? A is, for example, 4, tick B, 1100. I am assigning my A value to B. A is equal to B. This is only answer. Regarding this, I am typing the run file here. vlog, vlibrary work, vlog, vsim, run-r. Still anyone confused regarding? You take any one value. I am assigning my A, this is my size. This is my vector declaration AB. In the procedure block, I need to implement it. In that, I am passing my A values, for example, whatever it may be, size radix value. I am assigning B is equal to A means this is blocking, B is equal to A. A value assigned to B, then I need to get it display. What is my A value, B value? See. This is only my display statement. This A value assigned to B. It will showing the output based on the vector size. My vector size is 6-bit, but in the 6-bit I am passing only 4-bit only. In the data filling with MSB side or LSB side. Lavanya, tell me Lavanya. In the memory, data filling LSB side or MSB side. For example, this is my 4-bit 0 to 3.
MSB side.
MSB, na? Okay. I will give an 1 to 5, 6 number here. I will add 34. Where you add 34? This one or this one? MSB side or LSB side?
LSB side.
Then why you said MSB side?
In the array, they will fill it from the MSB side, right, sir?
You can observe here right now what is happening. I am running the code right now. See, whatever A value is there, that is only assigned to B value. See. Why came? I am given only 4-bit only, but output give only 6-bit. Tell me, Giri. Because my vector size is a 6-bit now. So up to LSB, Lavanya, are you observed what is came here? LSB side or MSB side data filling?
LSB.
But why you said MSB?
Now I got it.
You don't think different, okay na?
Okay, sir.
For example, I will take here my size value, size 6 on night 5. I will decrease my size here little bit. I will take 5. What will be the output coming right now here? Tell me, Amar Raja. Amara, Amar. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Not, I am asking offline student. One, A is 6 bit, B is 5, 6, 7, only 3 bit. I am writing here. This is 6 bit, this is 3 bit, but I am assigning value is a 4 bit. This is 5 is size here. 5 is size. B means binary. Remaining whatever is there, that is the value. 1100 is value. In this, my A value assigned to B. What is my B vector? Tell me what is the output will coming here. I am writing here A value is definitely it will come. Tell me here what is A value and B value. Giri, tell me Giri, if it is wrong also no problem. A value na B value na? 100 na A value. Tell me Samya, what is A value, B value? If it is mistake also no problem. Harsha. Can anyone put in chat box? What is coming my A value, B value? No? This size is vector size. This vector name A. This data type. Vector declaration. Okay. 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. నేను ఇందాక ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినాను అదే నీట్గా ఇక్కడ ఉంచడం. ఇది ఏ వెక్టర్ LSB నుంచి స్టార్ట్ -1, -2. రైట్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ డిక్రీజ్. ఓకే గిరి, ఐ విల్ రన్ కోడ్. యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 100. ఏ వాల్యూ? B value is 100. A value is why it came this much bit. Soumya, understand? No? Why A value came 6 bit, B value only 3. Just from LSB bit 3 only taken because of my, instead of I given my size value is 5 also. ఇక్కడ నేను 5 ఇచ్చినా కూడా అది తీసుకోలేదు. ఇక్కడ నా సైజ్ 5 ఇచ్చినాను కానీ 4 పాస్ చేస్తున్నాను, కానీ నా అల్టిమేట్ వెక్టర్ 3 బిట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి LSB నుంచి ఫస్ట్ 3 తీసుకెళ్ళి అక్కడ వచ్చేటప్పుడు A వచ్చేటప్పుడు 6 బిట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 6 బిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. See, this is B, 3 bit vector. From LSB it will taking. This is A, 6 bit vector. 1 bit extra, no, up to here A value only. This one. This is my A value. Because of my A value, A vector size is 2, no, so it will consider 2 double zeros. Okay, I will decrease my size here. Then tell me what is the answer right now for me.
पैसा कितना कौन दे कितना लगते
अरे आधे किलो वाला नहीं
5 4
ये 2 bit, అదే 3 bit. అలాంటప్పుడు A equal to 0 0, B ఎంత 0 0 0 1 means 100. There is error somewhere.
Sir, you are assigning A equal to B, sir. That's why coming.
What?
You are assigning A equal to B, right? So A value 0 0.
हेलो चंदन, अरे मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ये है ना 0 0 1 आएगा ना यार, 0 0 कैसा आया?
Tell me that.
अरे मतलब इसने ऊपर तो कितना किया, ऊपर उसने 3 down to कितना था?
Default value, reg default value.
तुम नहीं कर रहे हो क्या, ये देख नहीं रहे हो? अच्छा,
చెప్పురా ఏమో చెప్తున్నా.
ये 3 down to 2 का कितना काउंट होगा? ये 2 1 2 ही तो काउंट होगा. अच्छा 3 बिट LSB से लेगा ना फिर वो. तो 0 0 1 होगा ना, 0 0 1 तो 0 0 कैसे आ रहा है? ये 3 बार 0 कैसे आ रहा है? देखना 0 0 1 होगा ना वो तो.
हाँ
देख अभी भी 0 0 1 0. हाँ 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 हाँ.
చెప్పు స్వామి ఏమో
आंसर तो बी का वैल्यू 3 बार 0 आ रहा है. अरे देखना सर, वो रन कर रहे फाइल में, वो वहाँ पर रन कर रहे टेस्ट पेज में, तो लास्ट में सिमुलेशन में
ఆటోమేటిక్గా
ना.
అది ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్ ఆర్ యు పీపుల్ ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆర్ నాట్
1 0 0 आएगा ना आंसर.
Yes, sir.
because A value how much 2 bit only, this 2 bit only selecting 0 0 0 0. What is I am assigning A to B? What is my B vector size 3 bit? So this is my A. Whatever is there left side, that is automatically considered as 0 because my A value assigned to B now. Because of that only, that is 0 0.
अच्छा वो उसकी
Still anyone confusion? Lavanya, Chandan?
No, sir.
No, sir, clear.
Okay, I will explain this question after. You do all this type of only BC. I will do radix conversion. You people, I will explain here. You people do remaining topics. I will give hint. Same thing here also. We have to convert this integer number into different format, octal, hexadecimal, binary. I will do here. Module, TB, end module. In that, I will take any one variable a is equal to 743 number. Initially, I mentioned what is a. I am assigning that a to integer a. In the procedure block, dollar display.
हाँ बोल आ गया
A is
अरे
equal to
वो
percentage
b
B.
इक्वल्स टू a
This
था
is
तो
binary.
वो a की वैल्यू भी ले लिया 2 बिट और
A
फिर
is
लास्ट
equal
बिट
to
में जीरो
percentage.
पुट कर दिया लास्ट
Already
बिट में
decimal is there 743. You kept to hexadecimal.
रुजा अभी करने दे सर के बाद इसका डिस्कस करते हैं रुजा करने दे
You kept to A is equal to percentage octal. Then A comma A. Then I am running the code. Is there anyone doubt regarding this up to here? This is my A value. I am assigning that A to some variable in A. I need to declare binary hexadecimal octal instead of quotient. Based on quotient, I am doing formats. I am calling 3 times A. Then I am running. You people can do what is small x, capital X. Sir only explained very well. In that assignment question, you need to patience and study. Then only you people are understand. See, this is in binary. This is in hexadecimal. See, binary. Binary, hexadecimal. This is octal. Octal you have seen this octal. Sorry, this is VC is given. What is octal value of 743? You people know. Octal means 3 bit. 111, 100. 3 means 011 it will need to come. Now it will showing C only. What is C value? Shankar? Huh?
1, sir.
12.
12, sir.
Okay, you put the
Bit
7, 4, 3. Why it is converted into octal? 111, 4 means 100, 3 means 011. Why it came C? Do you know anyone reason?
But after saving, you didn't change it. Like after changing, you didn't save it.
See here. Without save, I run. See, this is my values corresponding to this. This is binary, hexadecimal, octal. You people do same thing, remaining questions. Just a module declaration and a module prototype. to take any one variable. Then in the procedure block, initial begin and only you do display and assign the value. Next.
Sir, we don't need design file, sir.
What?
Design file ఏం అవసరం లేదు కదండి సార్ ఇక్కడ.
డిజైన్ ఫైల్ ఏం అవసరం లేదు. కొంతమంది తెలుగు రాదు, వాళ్ళ కోసం నువ్వు ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడాలి. కొంతమందికి తెలుగు ఏం రాదు, సింగిల్ ఉన్నారు, మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళు ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారో అనుకుంటారు. నాకు టాపిక్ చెప్పాలంటే మళ్ళీ ఇబ్బంది, అందుకోసం ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడతాను.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.
ఎందుకంటే క్వశ్చన్ మీరు ల్యాబ్లు ఉన్నారని నేను క్వశ్చన్ టు క్వశ్చన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను, లేదంటే మీరు చేసుకుని డౌట్ చెప్పాను అలా అట్లే చెప్పాలా. You people can study this BCD questions F. In the PPT also, sir explained very well what is small x, capital X, small z. Verilog supports 4 state 0, 1, XZ. System Verilog supports only 0 and 1. Based on these questions, you can follow the PPTs. Sir will explain. Is there any doubt? Let me know. This is 5th question. You people, same thing. This is a vector model. If you want, I will give hint regarding this one. If you want anyone, this 5th question hint. Giri, this is vector. Okay. See, I am doing design here model. Model name Mux 8 class 1 Mux. Input is I. Selection is yes. Output Y. I am doing prototype in the model. Input. What is the size? 7 down to 0. This is I. Input. Selection, and what is selection means? 2 down to 0. This is also yes. Output. Output is Y only, single bit. Based on that, you do this procedure block. Always at the rate start, begin and end. You do whatever it may be. You take in case now. You take case. Case in what is passing selection. Based on selection only, input selecting, output will be. Case, end case, prototype. Then what is my selection size? 3 tick D. If 000 is coming, what is the output? Output means Y. Y is equal to I of 0 or I of 1? Tell me, anyone. I of 0, na? I not on. I not on. I of 0, because you mentioned in vector format. While coming to your scalar, you kept with this one, I naught, I1. At that time, I naught is valid. You are passing to vector now, so you not required I naught here. Based on this, you people do implement. So test bench is same one, common. You are using case now. This 7 combination is not coming, kept default statement like this, default. Default 3 tick B 000 it came. Y is equal to, you kept to order maybe 1 tick dx, whatever it may. More than this possible combination is up to 3 tick B 111. Y is equal to I of 7. If this possible combination is not coming, other than our default statement will showing 1x. This is only vector declaration. You don't do test bench and run file. And let me know on tomorrow, Monday. This is 8th question in vector. This is also same thing. In this, my output is a 2-bit vector. What I will do here? You people study question at least one. Earlier, my 8 class 1 mux only one output. Right now, I need to require two outputs. This is vector. This is 8 class 1, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 selection lines. Only one output. That is also single bit. Right now, I need to require 2 bits in output. I will give up to 5 lines code. You people do implement like that. Regarding this. Huh? Same thing you need to take module. You take module, whatever it may be. Module mux, module and this one. Same take I comma S comma Y. Then end module. Input. You take some vector I. Output, input one more selection lines. Whatever it may be size. Output. Reg. You need to get the output is a 2-bit now. So I kept 1 down to 0 Y. That is only. Based on that, your output get 2-bit. You will pass like this. After a procedure block, you take this one 3 tick B 000 Y is equal to I of 1 down to 0. You people do up to 50. 3 tick B 111 Y is equal to I of last one what is coming 15 down to 14. Based on this, your output getting 2-bit. Same, you people do test bench and run pen and let me know Monday.
So can you explain again? I didn't get this.
Lavanya, you study question first of all. 6th question study.
In that they've asked input to be in 2 bits, right?
No.
You're
At that time, yes. You take this one. Output. Here asking 8 class. I am only this is input now 2-bit. That one I am taking I comma 1 down to 0 I comma 15 down to 14. Where you are confusing? Let me know.
But Y is output, right, sir?
Now why is output there?
But in the question they've asked the like input should be only 2-bit means the 3 dash B 000 you put that should be only 2 bits, right? That's the question, right?
Which line you have got? Let me know.
In the 6th line,
Okay.
if they are telling input should be only two input should be only 2, sir. So there cannot be 3 bits as input, right? It should be only 00 or something like that.
What is question 8 class 1 mux is taken here?
Yes, sir. 8 cross mux which each take input of 2-bit vector.
See here mentioned in the P. Immediately, okay, you saw this one 2-bit vector. What it refers B question here. Complete I input as a 16-bit vector. This is not 7 down to 0. 16.
So you are just taking a 16-bit.
Now, wait, I will run this code if you want. Wait that once.
The 15 down to 0.
Wait. See, I am taking this one. Question where is this one only? You can check. See, what is here? 16-bit vector na input. 3 selection lines. I need to get output is a 2-bit vector. Based on that, I will writing procedure block. Earlier case 8 class of marks only output is a single bit. I need to get output is 2 bit here. Based on selection line. Lavanya, are you understand what you asked me earlier?
Yes, sir. Now I got it, sir.
Based on that, you implement in the test bench.
Okay, sir.
See you people what I will run this code. Please, you people study at least question 2 times, sir. Until unless you could not understand. This is language, not a theory subject and a 10th class exam. You people assume this is IP exam 10th class. Don't listen this class, waste of time. See, you only tell me what is the output is coming here. In morning, Chetan, which class is explained? See, Lavanya, are you understand? My input is 2 bit vector. My selection line is 100, means 4. What is 4 value? 10. Now output only 10. See, my selection is 1015. 5 means I5. I5 means 10. See, 100. 100 means 4. I4 means 01. That only coming here.
Okay, sir.
Still anyone doubt regarding this question? I need to get output is a 2 bit only. This is the advanced version. Just 8 class 1 month, only 16 bit size. Still anyone doubt? Chandan, Jaideep?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is a designer. This is test bench. See, I am doing connection by just to vector now, so I taken here connection by name and the randomizing just to display. In the display, I taken this one. This is only asked. Next. Next question is, you people study this theory question in PPT. I will explain 96 bit random. This is available in theory question in your PPT. You people can kindly study the PPTs. I will explain this one. What is integer? Integer default value will study. I will explain this 91 hint. Generate a 96 bit random number. How it will generate? Actually, $random generate only 32 bit number only. How it will come to 96 bit number? I will explain 9 and 10th question. Please listen. $random supports only 32 bit number. Instead of 32, I will get to 96 bit. How it will do? You know anyone logic? Lavanya, Jaideep. For example, I will take here module. Module reg or not. What is beta? Okay, module bit. End the module. In that reg, what is 96 bit? Now I get to 95 down to 0. I am passing A. My vector name is A here. In the procedure block, I am doing this. Will do in the 2 types. I am doing concatenation here. A is equal to concatenation operator. 3 types do $random. This is concatenation operator. $display. I need to get my value. A is equal to percentage B. Because I taken by data type binary now, so I kept A. This is my concatenation operator. Whatever you give 2 flower bracket inside flower bracket. This is concatenation operator. You know only one concatenation operator here. Means I am randomizing 3 times. What is 32 into 3?
96.
That only in the declaration part is came now. See, I am running right now. Please observe.
क्या ढूंढ रहे हो?
अरे कल टी शर्ट रखा है भूरा रंग से हरा रंग के
टी शर्ट की
You
साइड
do different also if you want.
दे धोए लाएगा और है।
Take reg 31 down to 0 here, reg 32 down to 64, reg 65 down to 95. A, B, C vector में. You don't like that also. It's came previous one only. నేను నవ్వుతున్నారన్నా మాడ్యూల్ ఏం చేంజ్ చేయలేదు కదా అందులో పాతది చూపిస్తుంది వెళ్ళిపోవాలన్నా See, my A value is a dollar random history. This is 96 bit only. If you want doubt, highlighting with color. See, this is my 96 bit. See down here. Count is 91, 95. You skip 95. This is only okay, well and delay. This is only concatenation operator. Instead of this, you people can done like this also. In the declaration part. Reg 31 down to 0A. And you one more take reg. Like 64 down to 32 P. You take like this also, it will be valid. Whatever it may be. This is theory question. I will explain what is the time and real time variables right now. Explain the difference using an example. I will explain right now what is time and real time. Can anyone tell me time is unsigned or signed? Time is unsigned or unsigned? Jaydeep?
Yes, sir. Sir, time is signed, sir.
Time signed means what it refers?
So it refers positive values.
Signed only positive values, huh?
Yes.
What about unsigned?
So also we take, sir, in negative or zero.
No, completely mistake. Whatever is said, that is completely mistake. What about Lavanya?
Unsigned is like positive. Signed will have negative, sir.
Unsigned means?
Positive values only.
Yes. Unsigned means only positive. We are not mentioned time in negative. Signed means positive or negative. See, if you want out, check it. Signed means that is valid for positive and negative. Unsigned means only positive. JD, that is mistake. Whatever is said now. You
Yes,
can
sir.
search in Google. See,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
a signed integer is a 32-bit random number. That is this much value to plus value.
Okay, sir.
Unsigned means only positive. So non-negative. Because we are not mentioned time in negative format. So I will explain little bit code regarding time. Dollar time na module table in the module. I will take whatever it may be. Time. Okay. Dollar time is valid in the very log. So I will take directly time is time t, real time instantiation RP. Then in the procedural block, I am assigning some value 87 point this much in the dollar display. I am kept dollar time is equal to percentage YF I am taking here YF dollar real time. Can anyone tell me why dollar F here? That is not frequency. That is fraction part. Because in time means after decimal it will take only 0. Instead of I have taken fraction. Coming to real time, it will take a ditto whatever as it is there. See, here showing dollar TM also fraction, dollar real time also same thing. But I passed what? 7.21324. Tell me this. Tell me what is the value coming. F means fraction part. Still showing same thing only after decimal.
Sir, you are not update na sir. RT. You have changed from real time to RT. Then you should try. You should change dollar RT.
Okay, still okay. Who is given this answer? See, right now all are zeros. What is happening here? Okay, I will take Same thing. I will take binary. This question already explained in PPTs. You can study this assignment too and complete on Monday. I will explain in third assignment on Monday. See, I kept it binary. Random is 32 bit now. I kept it binary, so it's showing as 7 is binary 111. 64 bit showing means it refers my time default size is 64. Like random is 32 bit now. Coming to time size is 64. If you want any doubt regarding data types, you people can study this. See here, time is a 64 bit. Unsigned only means positive. Signed means positive, negative. These are the data types in Verilog. Verilog supports, I earlier said, Verilog supports 4 states. That is 0, 1, XZ. Regarding system Verilog, only 0, 1 only. This is 2 states. Time is a 64 bit. Unsigned means only positive. Due to that only 64 bits came here. But I need to get the fraction part here. Why the tool is not giving here? Can anyone let me know?